Let's name them all in a happy song. Red, green, orange, yellow too. So many colors just for you.
A is for apple, shiny and red. Crunch it up and nod your head. Apple, apple, juicy and sweet. Clap your hands and stomp your feet.
C is for carrot, orange and bright. Crunch it for lunch, it's such a delight. Carrot, carrot, crunchy and cool. Let's pretend we're chewing in school. B is for banana, peel and eat. Soft and yellow, such a treat. Banana, banana, bendy and fun. Wave your arms like bananas in the sun.
B is for broccoli, looks like a tree. It's good for your tummy and good for me.
Broccoli, broccoli, green and proud. Stretch up tall and shout out loud. C is for cherry, tiny and red. Pop it in your mouth or on your head. Cherry, cherry, tart and round. Spin around without a sound. T is for tomato, red and round. It grows on a vine near the ground. Tomato, tomato, juicy and bright. Bounce like a tomato, left and right. D is for date, brown and sweet. Sticky and chewy, a desert treat. Date, date, from a palm tree. Wave hello to the date with me. P is for pea, so small and green. They hide in pods and pop on the scene. P, P, roll like a ball. Let's be little peas and roll down the hall. G is for grape, purple or green. A bunch of them makes a healthy scene. Grape, grape, pop in your mouth. Dance like grapes all bouncing south. S is for spinach, leafy and light. It helps you grow with all its might. Spinach, spinach, give a wave. Let's flap like leaves, so strong and brave. O is for orange, juicy inside. Peel it slowly, what a ride. Orange, orange, citrus delight. Twist and turn with all your might.
C is for corn, rows in a row. Yellow and golden, it helps you grow. Corn, corn, crunchy and sweet. Stomp like corn under your feet.
P is for pineapple, spiky and tall. Cut it open, it's the best of all. Pineapple, pineapple, sweet inside. Wiggle like waves at the pineapple side. C is for cucumber, cool and green. Slice it thin or eat it clean. Cucumber, cucumber, crunch and cool. Wiggle like a cuke at Veggies school.
S is for strawberry, red and small. Seeds on the outside, tasty for all. Strawberry, strawberry, sweet and low. Tiptoe like berries, ready to grow.
P is for potato, brown and round. It grows in the dirt underground. Potato, potato, roll and bounce. Let's be spuzz and spin and pounce. W is for watermelon, big and red. Juice runs down from your chin to your head. Watermelon, watermelon, splashy and wide. Pretend to slice it open and look inside. O is for mango, white or red. Sometimes it makes your eyes go red. Onion, onion, tear then cheer. Wipe your eyes and give a cheer. M is for mango, golden and bright. Cut it up and take a bite. Mango, mango, tropical treat. Tap your knees and move your feet. L is for lettuce, leafy and green. It's in your salad and tastes so clean. Lettuce, lettuce, crunch, crunch, chew. Let's shake like lettuce, me and you. Fruits and veggies, we sang them all. Big or small, short or tall, red and yellow,